it is the morning. I actually had a great sleep because my friends were here with me. But Badge got a hold of me and he told me a couple things to look at. It could possibly be a hose connected to the modulator, blah, blah, blah. So I am gonna try to fit myself underneath there.
Wow.
You know, I don't think I can do this.
You can do anything, girl.
All right.
It just,
blanket.
the space is like...
I cannot believe I'm doing this right beside a Circle K.
Oh, I thought it was in the middle.
Oh, I don't know if I can get underneath there.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. This independent woman stuff sucks.
Right.
Where the hose is. Okay, I'm under here. I'm trying to figure out where this hose is. Calling shops out here, and everyone's backed up for at least 2.5 weeks. So, yeah, I don't want to be out of commission for 2.5 weeks. Everybody out here is so amazing. I'll just show you guys. Mark, Andy and I each came out last night so that I wasn't here all by myself. They watched the live stream like a lot of you had watched, and I was worried. I was really worried that I was going to get a knock and I can't move. I was worried about some of the people that were coming all night long to this convenience store, and I really did feel all alone. And then they came out and I brought an amazing supper. Mark this morning brought us coffee and donuts, and they have no plan of leaving me. They are here for the long haul, and I am so blessed to have met so many amazing people. I try to explain to you guys just the love that a person feels within this community, and there's no way that I can fully explain it. It's beyond words. Ah, there's Miska playing. The whole family. Good morning, everyone. I am going to have my very first shower at a truck stop. So let me show you. It was $15 for the shower. I'm at Love's, the little exhaust fan. Okay, so they have towels. There's a bathroom. And a shower. And it looks like there's some body wash. I didn't realize how much money I'm saving by showering in the ambulance, so I can't wait till it's repaired and I can keep doing it in there. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy really hot water and a nice long shower.
So this is your time to get over here with your lady.
And I honestly almost like you want to.
Don't do any more stupid stuff.
Now you tell me.
Apparently that's Bob. Okay, good morning. It is Monday morning. Are we still in February?
No, it's March.
Wait, no, it's February 28th.
No.
I think so.
Oh, 28, yeah.
February 28th. It's Monday morning. The ambulance is supposed to be done. I have yet to find out what the final bill is. We're going to find out this morning, and I hope that there is no other problems, concerns, nothing.
Yeah.
All of us in our group have had different kinds of troubles, but realistically, they've been pretty minor. That guy's entire car just blew up in flames. It smells so bad, but he's so lucky his rig didn't get caught. And we got it out before any propane tanks caught. Oh my God, you guys, slow down! This is the Nellie Mine Road. And we are going to go to the Desert Bar in the Nellie E Saloon on Sunday night. What kind of skeleton do you think that is? That's some spine of some animal. Would that be like a snake's? Land just north of Parker, and this is definitely my least favorite spot. Everywhere you go, there's garbage, there's broken glass, there's shotgun shells. Yesterday, people were firing off guns for a good portion of the afternoon, which I actually found quite disturbing because I don't know where they're shooting and what angle, so I really didn't want to leave the ambulance. And then last night, I don't know what, people are zipping around on side-by-sides in the dark, like between 1 to 3 o'clock in the morning, all over the place out here. And they had music blasting, and I swear they were racing up and down these roads in the dark. I cannot wait to move on. But I want to let you guys know some really great stuff. I have planned out the next month and a half of my travels. I'm going to be taking you guys to all sorts of really cool locations. I am no longer sitting for a week to 2 weeks at a time because of ambulance repairs. So I've planned out my route. I'm super excited. I'm just thankful for every day and thankful for this journey, and I'm thankful for all of you.